In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-download FaceSave attachments from Outlook to folder. By the end, you'll have a simple rule that automatically routes any incoming email with an attachment straight into a folder you choose. So everything stays organized without you lifting a finger. Start by opening Outlook. From the main window, look along the top ribbon for Home. Click Home, then select Rules. And choose Manage Rules and Alerts. In the dialog that opens, click New Rule to launch the Rules wizard. We're going to build this from scratch, so it's clear and dependable. Under Start from a blank rule, pick Apply Rule on messages I receive. Then click Next. This tells Outlook you want the rule to act on incoming mail. On the next screen, you'll see a list of conditions. Scroll until you find the option that says which has an attachment, and check that box. This is the key filter. It ensures the rule only touches messages that contain at least one attachment. Click Next to continue. Now choose what Outlook should do with those messages. Select the action, move it to the specified folder. In the lower box labeled Edit the Rule Description, click the underlined link that says Specified. A folder picker will open. Choose the folder where you want these messages to land. It can be an existing folder you already use for attachments, or a new one you created for this purpose. When you've made your selection, confirm it, and click Next. You'll arrive at the exceptions screen. If you don't want any exceptions, simply click Next again. On the final screen, give the rule a clear, descriptive name, something you'll recognize later at a glance. Then make sure the option Turn on this rule is checked so it begins working right away. Click Finish, and then OK to close the Rules and Alerts window. That's it. From now on, any new email that arrives with an attachment will be moved automatically into the folder you specified. This keeps your inbox tidy and centralizes messages with attachments in one place for quick review. If you don't see a message where you expect it, double-check the folder you chose and confirm the rule is enabled in Manage Rules and Alerts. Also remember that rules apply to new incoming mail. So previously received messages won't move unless you manually run rules on your inbox. You now have a reliable, hands-off way to keep attachment-heavy emails organized. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more streamlined Outlook workflow.